It's that time of the year again when we travel down to homeland, Nigeria. It's the rainy season in Nigeria now, and it gives me joy to go down at this time of the year because the weather is cool and there are lots of goodies in season. There's corn, so you can eat lots of boiled corn or roasted corn. There's African pear, which you can soften in many different ways. My favorite way is putting it in my mouth and leaving it there to melt. Yummy! You can also soften it with hot water. In a frying pan. Roasting over charcoal fires, in an oven, or you can hide them inside hot ashes. So many ways. Boiled groundnuts are in season too. Here's Ned is struggling to open them.
Mommy, not funny.
Nene, you're so cute trying to open it like that. You look so cute. The second joy of going down to homeland is because we spend quality time with family. I have a full house. My parents are here, my mother-in-law, my sister-in-law, my sisters. Most of my kids' cousins are also here. So right now, I am a mother of at least 8 children. We cook up a feast every meal and the food disappears in no time. I love it. This one is akara for breakfast. This is what Pancake Day looks like. I use 2 frying pans to meet up with the high demand. Demand and supply economics is at play here. You need to top up the milk on the akamo for the kids to make them happy. Seeing a pool of milk in my akamo makes me happy too. Yam and egg day. Fried rice day. I and sister-in-law working hard to make sure that dinner is on time for the many mouths that are waiting for this rice. Ngwa, come and take. You all know your own, no? Oh yeah, take.
Carry your own.
Yay! See the one making my clothes.
Yes. Hey,
Video, what picture? My fashion designer. This is my sister that sews my Nigerian clothes. Hey. Why na man see boy? No kwali o yenga. Ya kwa chanka na abanye.
Abugo na done to the sample editing.
No.
Hey. I'm quite colorful. I want this style.
So this is the finished product. Almost finished product. I think it's just the hemming left, right?
Yes.
This one is a flowing gown for Flo. She has finished this one. She's doing more. Look at the next one she's making for me. You guys say I know how to sew. This is the professional tailor here, not me. You guys should go to her. In fact, she wants to start a YouTube channel, but she's been asking me who watch what I'm teaching them now. So you guys should go to her channel. I'll put the link to her channel somewhere on the screen, and I'll put it in the description. Go to her channel and subscribe to her channel. If she gets 1,000 subscribers today, she'll upload whatever you want her to upload, okay? Or maybe she should upload one video first to make sure that she's ready to upload. So yes, she's the one, she's the professional one. You guys say, can I teach you how to sew? No, Flo is not, I can't even teach you the way I calculate my own sewing. So she's the professional one that can show you how to do that professional, you know, the proper way to do it. Please don't follow my steps. Only me can understand my own way. At her, still at work. When are you going to finish this one? Also? No. I hijacked her all the way from Port Harcourt. Yeah. Ngwa, na kwa. Stay tuned for more Naija vlogs. Bye bye. See you soon.